Okay, so let's just do some miscellaneous rules regarding the parts of speech we've done so far. Divit, beta, I'll need your video on. Jaldi se.
Sorry,
Okay.
ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
So the first rule we're going to do regarding later, like we did latter, latest, and last. So, like we discussed yesterday, later and latest, they refer to time.
मैम गुरमन वेटिंग रूम में
अच्छा बेटा. And then latter and latest. Sorry, latter and last. Gurman, बच्चे, I'm going to need you to come on time so that we can start. मेरे को ना बीच में नहीं तो छोड़ के Zoom पे वापस जाके करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? Okay.
Sorry,
So, like I was saying, later and latest. Sorry, latest. They refer to time, and latter and last, they refer to position. Then next rule, ये बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं मैम ओल्डर यूज करना चाहिए कि एल्डर यूज करना चाहिए एंड व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस. ओके, सो राइट डाउन एल्डर, ओल्डर, eldest, and oldest. Notice that we're talking about both the degrees, second and the third degree of adjective, which is the comparative and the superlative. Second degree is comparative, third degree is superlative. तो हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, right? Now, the difference being that elder and eldest, you use those for family. So within the family, within relatives, if somebody is of a higher age, so you use elder and eldest. So write down elder and eldest. Used for persons, not animals. Persons बोल सकते हो, people बोल सकते हो. So used for people, not animals or things. Also for members of the family. Actually, the same family. फिर एक ब्रैकेट में लिख लो, do not use than with elder. Use to. या अकेला elder बोल सकते हो. For example, if you say that he is the elder of the two brothers, whereas let's say, okay, so let's say Aryan, Divit, and Gurman are brothers. So if I say that Aryan is the youngest, Gurman is in the middle, and Divit is the eldest, ठीक है? So if I say Gurman is elder to Aryan, whereas Divit is the eldest of the three. Again, notice that I've used the ER form for comparative. So when you use ER form, it's between two nouns. More than two nouns के लिए superlative होएगा and EST form होगा. ठीक है? So उसके साथ हम elder के साथ काफी बारी लोग spoken language में than use कर लेते हैं, which is absolutely incorrect. Okay, and also then older and oldest are used for persons and things. So older and oldest may be used for people or things. PPL meaning people and things. इसके लिए I would like you to write down examples because ये confusing हो सकता है. So you can say, let's say Gurman is the oldest brother. Oh, sorry, eldest. Gurman is the eldest brother. Because it's within the same family. Then you'll say, we went to the oldest, or we visited the oldest temple in Calcutta. We visited the oldest temple in Calcutta. Then the third rule is the distinction between further and farther. So write down, further means additional. Example, distance, thought, explanation, communication, etc. But farther and farthest are for purely for distance. Farther and farthest are purely for physical distance. So examples आप लोग लिखो. Write down. I have nothing further to explain. I have nothing further to explain, comma, no more thoughts on the matter. No more thoughts on the matter. Okay? And for farther, you can say, let's say Calcutta is farther to the equator than Colombo. Next example, write down. Right. Gurman. Kolkata या Calcutta लिख सकते हो is farther from the equator than Colombo. Colombo. Where is Colombo, Divit?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Colombo? Colombo. अब ये दिवित बोलेगा मैम ये तो धोखा है ना, ये तो इंग्लिश
नहीं
क्लास
मैम,
की, आपने नहीं बोला ये ज्योग्राफी क्लास है.
US में ही है.
भाई मेरे सलल सर को शिकायत करूंगी मैं. आर्यन, कोलंबो
नहीं पता मैं.
नहीं पता.
कोलंबस, मैम कोलंबो न्यूयॉर्क.
Columbus, Ohio. Yes, that Columbus is in America.
कनाडा. अच्छा.
अबे
मैम क्या
यार.
अमेरिका मैम, आई सेड अमेरिका मैम.
No, you said I said Colombo, not Columbus.
Oh.
Columbus, Ohio is America. Yes. Colombo आप लोग मुझे कल बताओगे फिर. Homework है ये. And when you find out the actual answer, you will be quite in shock. Gurman, do you have something to add?
It's in India, man, but I don't know. Sri Lanka.
Thank you. किसने बोला श्रीलंका?
आर्यन.
क्या गूगल किसने किया गूगल?
मैंने किया.
भाई Canada to America to India. Oh, scary answers.
Thinking Africa.
You're thinking Africa? थोड़ा कभी एटलस भी खोल लिया करो. Okay, And final miscellaneous rule in this category is the distance between nearest and next. So nearest is the shortest distance away. Nearest means the shortest distance. We don't usually say smallest, we say shortest distance. Oh, distance away. Next is for sequence. Coming one after the other. ठीक है, अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल चलो एक और थोड़ा सा लेट मी ब्लो योर माइंड. राइट डाउन मुंबई इज द नियरेस्ट सी पोर्ट टू यूरोप. Mumbai is the nearest seaport to Europe, which is true geographically.
Is the nearest seaport?
Seaport to Europe. धोखा नहीं हो रहा आर्यन, इट्स ट्रू. देख लेना कभी.
मैं देख रहा हूँ ना, वो एक कैनाल है ना, उधर से रास्ता जाता है तो उधर के शॉर्टेस्ट है.
Suez Canal या पैनामा? I'm also not
नहीं मैम,
entirely.
कैनाल का नाम नहीं दिया, मैंने सिर्फ से बोला कि एक कैनाल
कहाँ
है.
पे?
I don't know. मैम जो अफ्रीका जहाँ से मीट करता है ना एशिया से, अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट.
Okay, chalo, find out and let me also know. There's a reason I'm not a geography teacher. I'm an English teacher. Okay. Okay, and next ka likh lo, you can say that next door to us, comma, next door to us,
Next door to us.
comma, live 3 beautiful kittens. Next door to us, comma, live 3 beautiful kittens. Okay, now next miscellaneous rule, write down some comparatives. Now comparatives पता है ना क्या होते हैं? What are comparatives, Gurman?
Comparisons.
हाँ जी.
जो कंपेयर करते हैं एक दूसरे को.
Compare करते हैं, and what do we call it in adjective? The comparative degree is कौन सी वाली डिग्री होती है adjective की?
सेकंड डिग्री में.
Second degree. ये इतने doubt में क्यों? ये तो पता होना चाहिए positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, so some comparatives have no positive or superlative degrees. Have no positive or superlative degrees. You don't need to know this, but just purely for information बता रही हूँ कि these are the ones that are borrowed from Latin. I told you that English is not an original language. It has a lot of contributions from classical languages. Classical languages कौन सी होती है? Greek, Latin, Roman, French, Arabic, Sanskrit, Persian, etc. Okay, so English is supposed to be called a young and a modern language. Young and modern, plus it finds many contributions from there. Foreign roots जब हम लोग करेंगे ना vocabulary में तब और ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा. So write down some comparatives have no positive or superlative. Which one is the superlative degree, Gurman? No, Divit.
Third.
Divit, come on. Which one is the superlative?
Don't know it. Don't know it.
Don't know. Aryan, what are the 3? अबे cheating नहीं करनी Aryan. What are the 3 degrees?
मैम सुपरलेटिव थर्ड डिग्री होती है मैम.
चलो शुक्र है. सुपरलेटिव 3rd degree होती है. Divit, तू पता है कहाँ हार गया? You looked so unsure of yourself.
Yes, I was not confident.
One questioning look, and you were like, sorry ma'am, पता ही नहीं है. सुना ही नहीं कभी.
I was.
कौन है
Yes,
ये
I
लोग
was
कहाँ
not.
से आते हैं? So
I was
you
not
have
confident.
to have conviction. You have to be convinced of your knowledge. वो सिर्फ तब आ सकती है जब ठीक से थोड़ा सा पढ़ा नहीं रहेगा. ये तो अभी कल करवाया है, थोड़ी सी शर्म कर लो. रिवीजन नहीं हो रही, बट मेमोरी का क्या हुआ है? What is wrong with this generation's memory? Okay, so certain comparatives will have no positive or superlative degree. Write down. There are actually 12 of them. Examples likho. Interior, exterior, ulterior. I'll explain this. Abhi likh lo. Major, minor, inferior, superior, prior, Prior. Let me write this a little clearly. Prior, anterior, posterior, senior, and junior. Okay, so if you see these IOR words, most of them require a 2. लिख लो यहाँ पे. The last 7 are followed by 2. Not than. Okay, so if you say inferior, superior, minor, inferior, superior, prior, anterior, anterior means in front, posterior means in the back, senior, junior. So if you say that he was senior to me in college, lots of people, they make the mistake of saying senior than me. But likh lo, senior to me, junior to me, inferior to, superior to. ये एरोज डाल के नहीं करना, दिव्य ठीक से लिखो.
हाँ जी मैम, ठीक से लिख रहा हूँ.
ठीक से लिख रहा है, क्लियरली पूरा लिखना है.
Senior to me, senior to me, junior to me, and
Inferior and superior. Okay, so can we say this is more perfect than something? As a concept, more perfect बोल सकते हैं?
More perfect. नहीं मैम.
नहीं ना? Okay, so write down there is no such concept. ये लिख लेती हूँ मैं. There is no such concept of there is no more perfect, but we can say most perfect. There are some oddities of the language. कुछ तो चीजें जो होंगी ना वो learn करनी पड़ेंगी and वो accept करनी पड़ती हैं. अब there are no real reasons. अब जब हम prepositions भी करेंगे ना, you'll ask me मैम इसका मतलब ये क्यों है? There are no reasons for why. अब जिन्होंने language लिखी है उन्होंने कुछ rules set करे. Mathematics में we accept that 2 into 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. If we don't accept this, then हम आगे technical, and more advanced calculations नहीं कर सकते. Similarly, if we don't accept certain rules of grammar or some things as, acceptable or true, then we can't move on further and say कि हम higher order language skills acquire नहीं कर सकते. So we have to accept and understand that certain rules are true. If you ask me, ma'am, ऐसे क्यों है? Prepositional phrase. Why does pass away mean to die? Or why does pass on mean to transmit information? I don't know. I don't have the answer to that because जिसने language लिखी है, जिन्होंने ये phrasal verbs या ये prepositional phrases devise करे हैं, जिन्होंने बनाए हैं, उन्होंने ये meaning set करे हैं. जब तक हम ये meanings accept नहीं करते, then we can't use these further in language. See, I always say language is a little more refined जब आप लोग better phrases use करते हो, rather than saying now, Divit, if you want to say, somebody in the neighborhood has died, everybody will understand when you say this. But a better way of saying this is somebody in our neighborhood passed away. थोड़ा लैंग्वेज जो है थोड़ी सी रिफाइंड है. अब पास्ट अवे का मतलब डाई क्यों है? इफ यू आस्क मी मैम व्हाई डज दिस मीन अ सर्टेन थिंग, इट डजंट मीन कि मुझे आता नहीं है, मैं आपको बता नहीं रही हूँ. इट जस्ट मीन्स दैट वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट सर्टेन रूल्स एज ट्रू. ओके, यहां तक समझ आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have some rules. Now moving on to articles. The next topic that we're going to do is articles. Articles mein, you know that there are three types of articles in the English language. The first one is a. The second one is an. And the third one is the. Okay. Now a jo hai, a is used for, you know, either singular or very specific ones. So आपने दो चीजें सुनी है, स्कूल में भी सुनी है एंड मेरी क्लासेस में भी सुना है, ऑल्दो आई डोंट नो अगर याद है या नहीं है. नाउ वी स्टडी ए एंड एन एज व्हाट इज नोन एज indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. And the is known as a definite article.
Yes, ma'am.
अब थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आएगा once I start explaining मतलब क्या है. अब when you say definitely, would you like to join me for a movie later? Would you like to join me for a coffee? So if you say definitely, I'll see you there. What does that mean? Is that a certain yes or is that a certain no? क्या मतलब है?
Certain, yes.
Certain, yes.
Yes.
Certain yes. Okay. So definite means sure. If you say something is indefinite, now if I give you an example, call a boy from outside, bring me a chair to sit on. I don't mean a specific boy. I don't mean a certain chair. I'm talking about anything indefinite, any random kind of noun. Okay? So indefinite articles in the bracket you will write down refer to random nouns. Not specific. They refer to random nouns. The refers to specific nouns. Specific or definite nouns. What does that mean? If I tell you, bring me a chair, am I talking about a particular chair? Bring me a chair.
No, ma'am.
No. But if I say, bring me the chair with the leather cushion, or bring me the chair which is brown in color, I mean a
ma'am,
specific or a certain chair. Haan, beta?
ma'am, what about bring me that chair?
That is also specific. But आप ये देखो, that हमने कल किया था in adjectives के adverbs.
Adjective. No, adverbs, adverbs.
Pakka?
Adverbs, adverbs. Yes, ma'am,
Pakka?
adverbs, pakka. Pakka adverbs.
ठीक है. Okay, see, now when you say bring me the chair, now let's focus on where we are right now. ठीक है. The is very particular. For example, call the boy call the boy who's wearing a yellow sweater. He's standing outside.
Okay, okay, got it.
Specific हो गया. Call a boy. Indefinite. Okay, so when you talk about something specific, you are talking about the. So write down A. ये अब मैं आपको rules दे रही हूँ. So first rule is A is used for, sorry, A and, well, and also actually used for singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns. क्या मतलब है? Singular and countable हमने क्या करा है? A boy, an orange, a newspaper, etc. Can you say I have a news for you?
Yes, ma'am, we can say.
We can say.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Aryan,
a
can
news
we
for
say
you.
I have a news for you?
मैम और द में कंफ्यूजन हो रही है थोड़ी सी.
और दो में confusion हो रही है. I have the news for you. अच्छा.
नहीं मैम
Vimal, can we say? Can I say I have a news for you?
Yes, ma'am.
I can. Okay.
ये यूज था.
Aryan, last answer, final answer. Huh? अच्छा. Well, you can say I have a news for you. You will be wrong, but you can say it. गलत होगा. देखो, न्यूज हमने किया था अनकाउंटेबल होता है. You can say a piece of news, but you can't say a news. That's why I specified कि countable and uncountable कौन से होते हैं. कभी नोटबुक खोल के थोड़ा सा देख लेना गलती से, ऐसी हवा मारना नोटबुक के ऊपर, कोई पेज खुलेगा, पढ़ भी लेना वो. We've done countable and uncountable nouns like water, we've done milk, we've done oil. So can you say I have a oil at home? I have a
No, ma'am.
milk at home? No, I have
No,
a...
ma'am.
No, I can say I have a liter of milk, but I can't say I have a milk. So you can only use a or an with countable and singular nouns. ठीक है? अब second concept that I'm going to do is the use of vowel sounds. Vowels क्या होते हैं?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U. Okay, very good. Okay. So see, in school, Divit, वापस आओ.
मैम अच्छा सॉरी मैम, वो पता नहीं चला वो.
Ma'am,
पता नहीं
countable
चला,
and
ऐसे कैसे? You have to very specifically press a button for the video to go off. See, you studied in school that A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. But हमने ये सुना था स्कूल में that अगर vowel है तो an present है. But now I'm going to tell you that the vowel sound is more important than the vowel. What did I just say?
Yes,
Goodman,
ma'am.
what did I just say?
yes, ma'am.
What did I just say, Goodman? बेटा कहाँ है ध्यान?
मैम मैं ना वो काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन ढूंढ रहा था, नोटबुक में है नहीं मेरे शायद.
PDF में अनकाउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल.
ओके मैम.
अब तूने छेड़ दिया है तो you see it before the verb. मैंने रूल्स में कहीं तो लिखवाया है सिंगुलर प्लूरल वर्ब्स. ये when we were doing the difference between less and few, many and much. It's there. अब देखो उल्टा गए. अब पुराना तो मिस हुआ, जो मैंने अभी बोला वो भी मिस हुआ.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी. आर्यन क्या बोला था मैंने?
मैम वॉल साउंड्स
Vowel sounds are
more important than vowel
very
words.
good. Very good. So the use of vowel sounds is more important than the use of vowels. अब A से, if you notice, what are the sounds? What are the major sounds? अगर A से कोई word शुरू होता है, so consider the case of words like army, or if you say arbitrary decision, so the sound is A. Okay, so that's an A sound. Consider the case of ant, or if you say this is an axle, होता है ना, axle of the wheel, I think. So now if you say the A sound, A letter, we associate two sounds. अब अगर मैं कहती हूँ this is an apple pie, I don't say a apple pie. So more than the letter, the sound is important. अगर sound present है तो an लगेगा. ठीक है? Okay, so for E, what are the two sounds? We say the short X sound for egg, enter, exit. So if I say this is an entry, not an exit, this is an egg tart. So आप an लगाते हो. E के साथ और कौन सी sounds है? Can you think of eye drop, or these are eyeballs? So that's the longer sound.
Ma'am, but that is for some specific words only.
Why? How is that a specific word if it starts with E? है तो E की
No,
sound ही है.
okay.
Then even
E.
for I, if you think about it, दो sounds है. एक shorter I sound. For example, this is an ink pen. This is an inter-school competition. A shorter sound. और एक और है, like you when you say Iceland or you say ice cream. Again, it's the same sound as the E one. They share a sound. O के साथ आप दो sounds associate करते हो. Can you think of a tree that starts with O?
Oak.
Oak tree. Very good. Yes. O-A-K, oak tree. लिख लो. Can you think of a fruit that starts with O?
Orange.
Orange. Are the sounds different?
Yes, ma'am.
The sound of oak and the sound of orange, are they different?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का दिवित?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब जो U है ना, can you think of words that start with U?
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, very good. Can you think of another?
Usage.
Usage, very good. But usage में, is it? It's not a U sound. I'll explain when you say usage.
Underestimate.
Underestimate. My God. Okay, usage. Universe. University. Yeah, universal,
Unique.
etc. These are different. Okay. You say we only associate one sound, which is a. For example, I understand your point. Do not underestimate his knowledge. Yeah, umbrella. This is an umbrella. Okay. Basically, U has only one sound which we associate. एक ही vowel sound है. जो बाकी आपने usage, universe, universal, university बोला, those have the Y sound. Now,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Y sound is not a vowel sound. Y is also not a vowel. एक होता है vowel, एक होता है consonant. Understand the difference. Vowels, you just told me, are A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants are M, N, B, L, Q, etc. Basically, anything that is not a vowel is a consonant. Consonant sound ke saath never use an. So basically, what is the primary rule here? Use an only with a vowel sound, not necessarily a vowel. As the sound is more important than the letter. So I can give you two examples to prove this. If I say, he is dash honest man,
He is
what would you
an
fill here?
He is an
What?
honest man.
An honest man, बिल्कुल सही है. But honest में letter कौन सा है? Consonant.
H. अच्छा.
है ना? Letter तो consonant है. Sound कौन सी है?
Wall.
O.
कौन सी?
O.
O. Very good. O sound है. So can we say that regardless of the letter, the sound is of a vowel? तो हमारे को ये पता है now that more important than the letter, we have to now consider the sound. So if the consonant is there but vowel sound है, we will still use an. I'll give you another example. Consider this is dash universal truth. Oh, very good. This is a universal truth. But अब आप बोलोगे मैम हमने यू यूज करा है वहां पे, दैट इज अ वाउल, बट साउंड कौन सी है? ऑफ वाई. So that is what the conclusion you've come to is that more than the letter, the sound matters. यहां तक क्लियर हुआ? क्योंकि अगर यहां तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो इसके आगे जो एक्रोनिम्स वाला शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स वाला है वो समझ नहीं आएगा. अभी तक नहीं क्लियर हुआ? टेल मी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन.
क्लियर है मैम.
क्लियर है? गुडमन बच्चा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
sure? Yes. Divit, what about you?
Clear, ma'am.
देखो शर्माना नहीं है अपनी क्लास में. यू आस्क एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वांट, we'll understand better. कोई बात नहीं. See, now there is a rule of acronyms. Under an only, write down rule regarding acronyms. And acronyms are short forms. Short forms. When you say something like MBA, MA, SSB, LLB, M का कौन सा साउंड है? M. E sound. MA, E sound. S, E sound. Absolutely. And L,
A.
also E sound.
E.
तो ये क्या है? They're all vowel sounds. So what does this mean? When we use some short forms, if the first letter has a vowel sound, what article do we use? Divit, only Divit will speak.
हाँ जी मैम.
मैम आपने बताया ही नहीं कि सुनना भी होता है, ध्यान भी देना होता है.
मैम मैं नोट डाउन कर रहा था मैम ये.
तो नोट डाउन करना होता है बेटा, तो प्रोसेसिंग भी करनी होती है.
सॉरी.
इनपुट आउटपुट प्लस प्रोसेसिंग.
सॉरी
बताओ.
मैम. एक बार आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट. मैम कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन?
आपके सामने है. You've written it.
So
You've
when
just
we
written it.
so when we use same short forms in the first letter has a vowel sound, we use
Same नहीं,
and.
some.
हाँ जी.
तूने
we
भी
have
लिखा है
some.
बेवकूफ. You also written it in your notebook. कौन सा
मैम
लिखा है?
मैंने.
सच बताना. सेम लिखा है, सम लिखा है?
मैम some.
सम लिखा है.
हाँ
झूठा.
जी.
निकल दे. हाँ, okay. So when we use
some short form, we use and
and
ma'am,
and बिल्कुल सही. We use an. Why? Because the vowel sound is there. So if the first letter has a vowel sound, we use an. But we use either a or the with the long forms depending on specificity. डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, it's not complicated at all. Just understand that when we use short forms, जैसे हम बोलते हैं, for instance, if I say her brother is an MBA, so with M, the E sound मैंने an लगा दिया, but अगर मैंने long form use किया उसका, Master of Business Administration, vowel sound नहीं है, so you'll say that her brother is a Master of Business Administration. A Master of Business Administration, ठीक है? या फिर if you say he's going for an SSB interview, what is the full form of SSB?
Short service.
Service
सर्विस
selection mode.
सिलेक्शन मोड
Short service किसने बोला पहले, ये बताओ।
आर्यन मैम
Arif.
मेरे को पता था, सुन लिया था मैंने, उसकी रिएक्शन से भी मुझे पता चल गया था। हाँ,
मेरे को
SSC
ये
होता है,
बोला।
Short Service Commission is SSC. SSB is what?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan?
Service
selection.
ठीक है, so if I say this is an SSB interview, तो E sound है, तो I'll say an. But if I use the long form that this is a Services Selection Board interview, तो मैंने अ लगा दिया,
यस मैम
ठीक है? Depending on specificity of use है basically. Okay, can you
Ma'am.
give me an example of the use of a, an and the?
Ma'am, what will be the full form of LLB?
LLB का यार बड़ा Latin सा baccalaureate or something है, I'm not exactly sure of the full form. It's a Latin one, that's for sure. वो देखना बड़ा
बैचलर ऑफ
complicated था, it's a
लेजिस्लेटिव
Latin,
लॉ
हाँ?
बैचलर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव लॉ
वो इंग्लिश फॉर्म है, बट LLB का एग्जैक्ट देखना लैटिन का। बड़ा इट्स अ वेरी टिपिकल लैटिन वन।
लेगम बैकलरस
या दिस इज द वन। हाँ सी, तो ये जब आप LLB यूज करते हो तो एन LLB, otherwise when the long form is applied, then depending on the specificity you use an or a. अच्छा, now give me an example using a, using an and using the. One sentence, all three of you will tell me. Gurman?
An apple is keep a doctor away.
An apple?
An apples keep the doctor away.
And के साथ apples कैसे हो सकता है? And means one.
An apple, ma'am. An apple
हाँ,
keeps
an
the doctor
apple
away.
a day keeps the doctor away. ठीक है,
Doctor
good.
away.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. ये इसने cleverness करी। चल नहीं, you start with one article. चलो ये and से हो गया, अ से बताओ।
से तो बहुत सिंपल है मैम दिस इज अ
हाँ
पेन
exactly, दिवित को वही तभी बोल रही हूँ। दिवित बता, अ से बता।
अच्छा, ma'am, me?
हाँ, see one sentence starting with an, one starting with a and one starting with the.
Okay. Uh, I have a very beautiful writing.
अल्लाह को जान देनी है, इतना झूठ नहीं बोलते। I have a beautiful handwriting, चलो ठीक है, ओके। या फिर यहाँ पे I have beautiful handwriting भी हो सकता है, ओके ठीक है, मान लिया, accepted. The से बताओ।
Me only.
Yeah, everyone will give
Yeah.
3 sentences.
Can you? The Romans, the Aryans were, the Aryans were. नहीं, मैम वो रिफ्रेन बनना नहीं आ रहा कि मतलब आर्यंस, वो कल ही पढ़ा था जीएस में मैम कि आर्यंस ने 1000 years तक वो किया था रूल, द आर्यंस रूल फॉर 1000 years.
For 1000 years, okay. चलो fair, ठीक है, बच गया। गुरमन?
यस मैम मैम फ्रॉम एन आई हैव एन इमरजेंसी
I have an emergency. There is an emergency, okay, all right. I have an emergency, चलो, okay.
दिस इज अ पेन
This is a pen. Simple.
आई लाइक द गर्ल विद लॉन्ग हेयर्स
With long hair. Okay, I like girls with, you like the girl. So you're talking about one specific girl. I like the girl with the long hair. Okay, ठीक है. Perfect. Perfectly all right. अच्छा. Aryan, hairs नहीं होता, it's hair otherwise. ठीक है.
यस
Okay. Aryan.
Let me think, ma'am.
Okay.
I bought a motorcycle yesterday.
I bought a motorcycle yesterday. Correct. Okay, good.
I need an umbrella.
I need an umbrella. बिल्कुल ठीक है.
The uh, the Niagara Falls is sight to be seen.
The Niagara Falls are a
Yes.
sight to be falls are a sight
Yes.
to be seen. अच्छा, बिल्कुल ठीक है. That's a very good statement. Okay, now consider this one. Okay, this is dash university of good repute. This is dash university of good
This is
repute.
The
this is a university.
This is the
Uh,
university.
the the
The
This is
you
a university. Are we talking about a specific university? No, any university. But this is the university where मैं कहने वाली थी where Modi studied. This is the university where Dr. Manmohan Singh studied economics. So when you specify, when you make it completely particular and you're sure you're not talking about any other kind or any other noun, तो आप the लगाते हो. यहाँ तक clear हो गया है?
yes, ma'am.
ठीक
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Okay, so now come to finally rules regarding use of the. Rules regarding the. Now on top you will just write down use the before names of the following. Before names of the following. One, you will say rivers, lakes, oceans, and water bodies. And other water bodies. Examples likho. The Dal Lake, DAL.
ma'am, Dal Lake.
द डल लेक डीएल. अब मैं देखो बहुत डर डर के पूछ रही हूँ डल लेक कहाँ है.
Srinagar.
वाह, चलो ओके. थैंक यू फॉर सेविंग माय हार्ट आल्सो फ्रॉम
No, ma'am,
शॉक.
because recently I visited na. That's why I
यू
know.
डिड. चलो.
Yes, ma'am. My
Okay,
chachu
the
posting
others.
was in Srinagar.
जो
She
जो
was in Srinagar only.
who was in Srinagar?
Ma'am, my chachu posting is in Srinagar only.
Oh, all right, that's very cool. अब जो बट जो मुझे मजा पता कब आता है when I ask a question slightly unrelated or I generally ask a question ना, तुम लोगों के शक्ल पे जो ये oh shit आता है ना एक सेकंड के लिए, that मेरा दिन बन जाता है यार. मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है. मैं क्या बताऊं तुमसे, क्या झूठ बोलना. गुरमन especially, you know, this look of immediate and intense panic makes me very happy. I don't know why. मेरे को बड़ी अंदर से ना मेरे को मजे आते हैं यार. देखो मेरे मजे बड़े जरूरी होते हैं. आई लाइक टू एंजॉय व्हाट आई डू. सो उसमें मजे लेने बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन यूज द बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ most newspapers. Not all. It will depend on the magazine, the journal. Most newspapers, magazines and journals. Magazines and journals. Now, journals are educational magazines. ये लिख लो ब्रैकेट में. Educational magazines. So if you notice, most newspapers, they're usually called the Hindu, the Tribune, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, etc., the Deccan Herald. And when you have magazines, some like, for example, you'll have, acha, again, it will depend on the original name of the magazine. जैसे Time magazine है, उसको हम the Time magazine नहीं बोलते. Vogue है, we don't call it the Vogue. But some have, you know, like for example, there is this one called the National Enquirer, the New Yorker. So if the magazine already has the in the name, so that's why I've made you write some magazines and journals. It's not all of them. Journals कौन से होते हैं? We have a journal called the Economic Survey of India, the Psychological Survey of India, ऐसा आर्कियोलॉजिकल भी होता है, आर्कियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड भी होता है, हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड भी होता है, इकोनॉमिक्स से रिलेटेड भी होता है. दीज आर एजुकेशनल मैगजीन्स, राइट, और पब्लिकेशन. सो उनके साथ भी द लगता है. देन राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट वन. बिफोर ऑल एपिक्स. अब इंडिया में कौन से एपिक्स हैं? दो, जिसको हम एपिक लिटरेचर बोलते हैं.
रामायण एंड महाभारत.
Absolutely. So
अच्छा.
very good. Absolutely. इंडिया में we call it the रामायणा, the महाभारत. ठीक है. So हमेशा उनके आगे द लगता है. But I am giving you two epics of Greek literature जो on a global level बहुत masterpieces माने जाते हैं. So one of
The
them
Odyssey.
is the Iliad. The ILIAD. और क्या बोला था?
ओडेसी. द ओडेसी.
Excellent. The Odyssey. कहाँ से आया ये?
मैंने
पढ़ा?
मैंने अभी 3 दिन पहले बुक खरीदी है वो,
कौन सी? The Odyssey.
होमर की.
वाह, क्या बात है. The Iliad and the Odyssey, both written by Homer. Both written by Homer. Homer. So they're considered absolute masterpieces. Okay, then fourth, write down use the before names of all religious texts and holy books. Religious texts and holy books. अब holy books में क्या आता है?
द बाइबल.
The Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib,
The Gita,
okay, the
Bhagavad.
Gita, the Bhagavad Gita, the Rig Veda. Now, notice that there is a difference. मैंने आपको एक epic लिखवाया है और एक holy books लिखवाया है. All holy books may not be epics and all epics may not be holy books. Some could be fictional literature pieces of literature, and some could be related to religious scripture. दोनों सेम नहीं होते, तभी मैंने आप लोगों को दोनों डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज लिखवाई हैं. ओके, देन राइट डाउन यूज बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ माउंटेन रेंजेस, नॉट स्पेसिफिक माउंटेन्स. माउंटेन रेंजेस, not specific mountains. Can you tell me the name of one range each?
हिमालयस.
Mount Everest.
रॉकी. द रॉकी.
दिव्य, तू कहाँ रहता है? मुझे अपना एड्रेस भेज.
Mom, you said Mount.
Mountain range, I said, not mountain.
So Mount Everest, a mountain only. अरे,
The mountain, not a range. अभी तो इंडियन
Ma'am,
है.
I am studying.
Range, हाँ?
I am focusing on my GS, Abhi, ma'am. I am focusing on my GS.
I am going to focus this on this. Hmm. Hmm. चल, जीएस पे ही फोकस कर रहा है. वो भी गलत है. कौन सी जनरल स्टडीज है जो बताती है कि माउंटेन रेंज का नाम एवरेस्ट है?
I take back my words, ma'am.
क्लियर? अच्छा, ओके, आई विल नॉट टेक बैक माय थप्पड़. हाँ जी, रेंज बताओ. अब ठीक है, यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन जीएस ना, चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड. ज्योग्राफी में माउंटेन रेंजेस कौन सी हैं इंडिया की?
Ma'am, this topic has not come yet.
स्कूल से नहीं आया?
Ma'am, history.
ये
Ma'am,
हिस्ट्री तो है ही नहीं है. तेरा करंट माउंटेन रेंजेस,
ma'am,
हिस्ट्री कहाँ से है? ये
ma'am,
ज्योग्राफी है.
ma'am, I had non-medic in ma'am 11th.
Up to 10th?
Before that,
Before that? हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मैम, छोड़ा है हम वो गलियां. ओके, आर्यन, एनी वन नेम ऑफ अ रेंज, माउंटेन
मैम,
रेंज? कौन सा?
द हिंदू कुश.
हिंदू कुश. ओके, सो द हिंदू कुश माउंटेन्स, बिल्कुल ठीक है. साउथ में या मिडिल ऑफ इंडिया में कौन से हैं?
मैम,
एक प्लेटो भी है.
ईस्टर्न घाट्स, वेस्टर्न घाट्स.
द ईस्टर्न घाट्स, द वेस्टर्न घाट्स, बिल्कुल सही है. एनी अदर्स? अब उदयवित कुछ ध्यान में आया? एक वी से है, एक एस से है.
विंध्या।
हाँ, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras.
सतपुरास, yes.
मैं नॉन मेडिकल, चल नॉन मेडिकल का कुछ पूछूं? नहीं
No,
मैम,
ma'am.
वो भी नहीं मैम। ओके ठीक है, सो राइट डाउन एग्जांपल्स लिखो। अब तो बता दिया मैंने। एवरेस्ट की रेंज कौन सी है?
द
एवरेस्ट कौन सी
हिमालयास।
रेंज है? द हिमालयस, एब्सोल्युटली। तेरी तो मम्मी को बताऊंगी मैं। दोनों दोनों तरफ से आई एम गोना कीप द प्रेशर ऑन, एक मेरा और एक तेरी मम्मी का। Okay, so the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, the Deccan Plateau, you could say the Eastern Ghats, the Western Ghats, absolutely, the Karakoram Range, international तो international भी देखो, the Rockies, the Alps,
द एंडेस।
the Andes, absolutely, very good, बिल्कुल सही है। अच्छा, बहुत डर डर के पूछ रही हूँ, है कहाँ?
क्या मैम?
Andes कहाँ है?
South America.
South America. Where are the Rockies?
यूरोप।
Ma'am, your voice is cracking, ma'am.
अच्छा, is my voice cracking
Yes, ma'am.
for everyone or just Divit?
Just leave it.
No, ma'am.
Just Divit.
No, your voice is cracking, ma'am. Now it is clear.
Now it is clear. Where are the Alps?
साउथ अमेरिका।
Again, ma'am,
Alps?
again your voice is cracking.
ALPS.
वो नहीं पता मैम।
स्विस एल्प्स भी कहते हैं, फ्रेंच एल्प्स भी कहते हैं। चलो देखना, ALPS, ANDES एंड द रॉकीज। सो रॉकीज, एल्प्स एंड एंडीज पता करो कहाँ पे हैं। नाउ
रॉकीज
नेक्स्ट
नॉर्थ अमेरिका
पॉइंट,
में।
एंडीज तो मैम,
साउथ
एंडीज तो
अमेरिका।
बता दिए, साउथ अमेरिका।
साउथ अमेरिका बिल्कुल ठीक है,
रॉकी नॉर्थ अमेरिका में मैम।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। एल्प्स मैंने
मैम
आपको बता दिया, स्विस एल्प्स भी होते हैं। देयर आर फ्रेंच
Hello.
एल्प्स आल्सो। हेलो टू
एल्प्स
यू।
मैम इन यूरोप।
Ma'am, I
दिवित
दिवित फिर से साइन इन कर बचे। अच्छा, योर क्लास टाइम इज ओवर, dismissing class for now. Next class में we'll continue use of article the. We'll finish it off and then we'll move on to the next part of speech. अभी तक जो करा है पढ़ के आना है,
यस
hello.
ठीक है?
Hello.
चलो, हाँ
मैम
क्लास ओवर
नेक्स्ट
है। डेविड
क्लास।
हेलो।
मैम
Ma'am,
नेक्स्ट
ma'am, you all were. Ma'am,
ओके